2018 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, AM/FM stereo with CD player, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, electronic stability control, power windows, trip computer, compass, CD player, rear window defroster, tachometer, brake assist, overhead console, panic alarm, remote keyless entry. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.